Replacing the black union nut on your Hayward diverter valve is a straightforward fix. We'll show you how with the right prep. First, make sure water flow is stopped. If your system has shutoff valves, turn them to the proper position. If not, you can use Hayward black plugs in the skimmer and return. Open the air relief valve on the filter tank to release pressure. Then, loosen the black ring in the middle of the tank by holding the locking tabs and turning it counterclockwise. This makes it easier to remove the tank lid once it's fully drained. Unscrew the drain plug at the bottom of the tank and let the water drain completely. Once drained, remove the lid from the tank and pull the filter canister away from the pump. If the old union nut is still partially threaded, loosen it by turning it clockwise. Now insert the seat removal tool into the fitting and turn it counterclockwise to remove the fitting completely. With the fitting out, slip the new union nut behind it, then reinsert the fitting into the canister. Turn clockwise using the seat removal tool. If needed, use channel locks to finish tightening. Align the canister back to the pump and slide the new union nut onto the pump fitting. Hand tighten by turning counterclockwise. Reattach the tank lid and make sure the drain cap is back in place. And that's it. Your Hayward diverter valve is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more pool care and maintenance tips from The Great Escape. See you next time.